Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you make your YouTube intro, but not in a Panzoid, but I will show you how can you make your YouTube intro without any editor, without any software, just in a Canva. Okay, so first I will open your internet browser. I already opened up my internet browser Firefox, and I opened up a site name called Canva. You just have opened a website called canva.com. okay, here you can see templates option. Just click on a templates. Here you can see YouTube intro in trending list. Just click on a YouTube intro. Wait a little bit. It's all for free without any penny. Yes, wait. It's all depend on your internet. Here you can see some demos, some templates. Here you can also make an outro. I will show you another video how can you make an outro. But here there are a lot of templates out there. You have to just click what kind of the intro you wanted to make it. Okay, let me show you which one I'm going to make. Here I have selected any template that's free. Just wait a little bit. There's an internet connection problem. If your internet is fast, and then you will get it easily more fast. Here you can see a gaming into. Just now you have to click on a use this template. Just click on a use this template. Wait a little bit, and your editor will be opened up. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go and click on a subscribe button, and also give your feedback on the comment section. Okay, now here you can see a logo is popping up. You have to do, or if you have your own logo, you can just place it, or what you have to do, there are two screens what you want to change it. Okay, first up, sorry, the logo that I selected is a pro version. It means it is not free, but you have to find out the free version. Now here what I can do, just click on the icon text. What text you want to write? Let me type B. Okay, if you have a custom give for any logo, you can place it here just by going to uploads option, and just click your upload media, and just click on your file and get your file uploaded. You have to select from device, then you have to upload your file. Okay, I hope you got it. So here you can select your file, whatever you do, your company logo or anything else. Now let me cancel it. So you can see I just wrote upside you can see a play button. You have to just click on a play icon, and your logo will be automatically started by your name. You just have to rename your name, and you know this is a paid logo. If you have to do it for free, just you have to search same on Canva for free, and Canva also provide you musics. If you want to change this kind of the text, you can easily change it just by clicking on the second page. You have to go there. Wait a little bit. You know my PC lagging problem. I don't know what the shit is going on. Just click on a page 2. Now you can see if you want to edit it, just edit it. What kind of text you wanted to add, just edit. If you want to increase the duration of time, you can select here. Okay, let me select, close it. Here you can see the fade icon. You can easily change the animations. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go and click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on a bell icon, because I will see you in another video.